Hello ladies, hello gentlemen. In the following seconds, you will watch a technical analysis done by artificial intelligence. If you desire more technical analysis, I suggest you subscribe for free on the website trippy.ai, where technical analyses are posted daily. However, if you want a personalized technical analysis, you can do it yourself on the website. All you need to do is to upload a picture of your chart and you'll receive a technical analysis. Today we will discuss about EGLD, and the question would be, is it over for EGLD? Will go even lower than that? What was going to happen with EGLD? Because for those of you that like EGLD, it seems like it's kind of dead. So we will do some technical analysis. So we have a picture with a monthly time frame. Now we download a picture for weekly time frame. The reason we are doing this is because we want a more comprehensive technical analysis. So let's see what we have here. We have to make sure everything we should make sure everything is clear on the chart. Let's see. I think that's fine. And why not? Let's see the daily time frame. So I will not have any touch today. I will not have any opinion. I just want to see what's the result of the Trippy AI. All right. Let's download the daily time frame. Perfect. Now let's jump into the website and see what result we have. Good, here is the website. We click analyze now. We are on the score tab. Let's move to the technical analysis. We have some rules for those of you that are not familiar. Use the trading view chart. The picture must be clear. Candles must have clear size, so no small or stretch or flat candles. Picture only include details related with the chart, so don't add menu, preferences tab or other things on it. And no personalized drawing on the chart. We can also add it. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. You can test it out. Sometimes I draw the support and the resistance. And we are not going to make an analysis for one time frame. We go with 3. So let's choose 3. First picture. Second picture. Third picture. All the pictures are uploaded and let's click analyze. Besides this capability, the website is capable to analyze one time frame, definitely. It's also capable to analyze a project which tells you if it's good to invest or not for a target period. Let's say you want to invest within 2 or 3 years. So the tool will let you know if that project is good to invest in or not. It will use a chart, so it will do a technical analysis, but also data analysis. So the website gathers some data from CoinMarketCap and other databases to provide you some insights about the project or the cryptocurrency you choose. Let's see what we have. Monthly chart overview. The monthly chart presents a bearish picture with the price having experienced a significant decline from its peak. The large spike and subsequent decline suggest a bubble-like behavior with a prolonged bearish trend now in effect. The price is currently well below the exponential moving average, indicating that the bearish momentum is strong. Volume has declined, showing reduced interest at lower prices, which is dangerous. Key level resistance, previous high around 300. The support is difficult to establish due to the lack of history data, but previous lows around 30 may act as psychological support. This is what AI says. The weekly chart provides additional details showing the recent attempt at a recovery which ultimately failed to gain traction, leading to another downtrend. The price has recently dropped below the exponential moving average, signaling a strong bearish trend. Volatility appeared to increase as evidenced by large price swing in recent times. Key level local high approximate near the 65 level, and the nearest discernible support would be around the $30 price level. Daily chart reveals a more granular view of the price action. We see the price have been following a short-term downtrend after failing to remain above the exponential moving average. Recently, the price fell sharply, breaching a short-lived sideways consolidation. The relative strength index RSI dipped toward the oversold territory, indicating the potential for a short-term bounce or consolidation. Nearest resistance could be found at $50 level, looking for support at recent low around $35. The market exhibition a bearish trend with increasing volatility. Trading volume is relatively low, suggesting a lack of buyer enthusiasm. RSI level have filtered with oversold condition, indicating some potential for price stabilization or a minor retracement in the short term. RSI is below the midpoint of 50 on all charts, indicating bearish momentum. Price is below the exponential moving average on both weekly and daily charts, reinforcing the bearish bias. Potential pattern: there is no clear bullish or bearish pattern, but the consistent lower highs and lower lows indicate a downtrend. Considering entry short position on rallies toward the exponential moving average or the identified resistance level, with a stop loss above the previous swing high. For long position, wait for a clear reversal pattern and RSI divergence that may signal a bottoming out. Enter with caution and a tight stop loss since the prevailing trend is bearish. Remain vigilant for signals of stabilization or increased buying volume as potential indicators of trend reversal. Currently, the chart suggests that the market is in a bearish phase with the potential for short-term consolidation or minor retractions until there is a significant change in market condition. The general direction is likely to remain bearish. It is advisable to trade cautiously and in alignment with the current trend while monitoring for any signs of trend reversal. Suggest action: short. Possible entry: it says here look for short entries on rallies toward the exponential moving average or resistance level around 50.65. Possible stop loss: place a stop loss above the previous swing high, potential around 70.75. Take profit: support level around 30.35 as potential profit taking points. As far as I can understand, the AI says that we will consolidate for a while and afterwards there are chances that the trend will change, but who knows. However, we can try to do a technical analysis again. We can draw some things on the chart and maybe we can help the AI to provide better results if you like. But I believe the result is amazing since it's done by artificial intelligence and for sure can help us understand the trend, what are the possibilities. Maybe it's not a perfect tool for taking trades, but I believe it shouldn't be, because the analysis should be done by us always. Otherwise, some robots will do this and we cannot control it, which I believe is not quite good. However, if you need a personalized technical analysis, why not to try it? Thank you for following me until this point, ladies, gentlemen. All the best.